Hello friends, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. I am still Okeke Chizoba. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new, please do well to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell so that you are not going to miss any of my weekly videos. So without wasting much of our time, in today's video I am going to teach you how you can be able to create your ebook cover and paperback cover. So you can go to any website that gives royalty-free images for your book cover. Okay, we have a lot of them. I have listed it in some my videos. You can go there and get a lot of them. Let's go in details now. So you search for the one that you want, you search for the image that you want. We have been talking about Egypt, so we are going to continue with Egypt. So you type in Egypt city. You click on search. You look for the one you want. If you do not see here, you go to another website. I think I like this. You click on free download. Make sure that it's a free one. You move over to Canva. Okay, this is Canva interface. You click on this plus sign. You click on custom size. You change this px to in. You key in 6:9 because our interior is statement or A5. So you click on create. Okay, you go to your gallery. You import this, add to page. You know, a lot of people will be making use of this exact image. You try your possible best to cut out some parts and input something different. Okay, I think this is better. For your text, you click on this plus sign, click on text. I love making use of this. You ungroup, delete some. Okay, I believe by now you have copied down your title. You paste it there. You reduce the size, the font size. Okay, be careful about the line. You change the fonts. Okay, you change the color. Okay, make sure that the text is in the middle. Okay, it is in the middle. For our subtitle, you click on this plus sign, go to elements, get a square. You expand it to the line. Okay, change the color. Okay, you get your subtitle. Okay, you reduce it. All right, change the color to black. Okay, check if it is in the middle. Reduce the size of the subtitle. Okay, reduce the line spacing. The letter spacing first, then reduce the line spacing. This one, reduce this line spacing. the letter spacing first, the line, reduce it. Okay. Okay, the next thing is your author name. You click on this, you copy it down, you edit Blessed Chizoba. Okay, you can get a boss for it so that it can be very beautiful, Okay. Change the color to this or this. Okay, I prefer this. Change the text color to white. Okay, so make sure that it's in the middle. Okay, it's in the middle. So with this, our ebook cover is ready. You can decide to mock up. I don't think this is necessary, but let me just show you something. It's not necessary, but just do it for doing sake. You can change the transparency to this. Let me see how to be. Okay, so this is it. You now click on download. Save as JPG, best for sharing. Okay, if you have the pro version of this, I'm making use of my second phone to do this, you can increase the quality to 100. Okay, so download. Okay, this is our design. Okay, it's time for our paperback version. So the first thing that you are going to be doing for our paperback is for you to know the page numbers of your book. So this one is 45, but we are going to include the title page, which is 46. So you head over to your browser, type in KDP cover size calculator. KDP cover size calculator. Then you click on this KDP cover calculator. So this is the platform, this is the interface. Enter your book information. The binding type is paperback. If you want to do for hardcover, you click on hardcover. Then interior type is black and white. If you want to do the premium version, which is the colored version, you click on that. You click on premium color. So the paper type is white paper. The page turn is left to right. The measurement unit is inches. Interior size is 6 by 9 because we are using statement or A5. Then the page count is 46. You click on calculate dimensions. This is the dimension that we are going to use, 12.354 by 9.25. So after you have done this, you click on download template. You open it, extract it. Make sure that you extract. If you don't have the extracting device on your phone, you can download the archiver. So you click on extract. You can name it Egypt or anything that you are writing. Egypt paperback. Okay, you extract. So you go to your Canva, click on this plus sign, click on custom size, change this to IN, inches. So key in from what we got 12.354. I think I have the exact here. 12.354 by 6.25. You click on create. You go to your gallery. Okay, this is it. Egypt paperback. You add to page. Okay, you drag it down. All right, you click on this plus sign. Okay, this is the one that we did under Canva. You click on that, you add to page. This is it. You drag it. Make sure that all the text must be within. Okay, you check you go to transparency to check if it is touching. Okay, it is not touching, so you are good to go. Okay, so the next thing, this is a simple paperback cover. You click on this plus sign, go to elements, import square. Okay, use it to cover the whole book. Use it to cover the whole book. Then you go to position, you click on backward. Okay, as you can see, our paperback cover is ready. So you click on download. You click on download. Then you download as PDF print. PDF print. If you have the premium version, you are going to download as CMYK. CMYK. So you click on download. This is our paperback. If you have not subscribed to my channel to this moment, you are missing a lot. Do well to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and watch out for how to upload on Amazon KDP. Thank you and remain blessed. See you next time.